Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Saint-Joseph-du-Lac is a picturesque town, located in the Laurentide region of Quebec, Canada. Situated in southwestern Quebec, it lies about 40 kilometers north of Montreal, nestled between the scenic Lake of Two Mountains and the surrounding hills. Historically, the area was part of the Lac de Deux-Montagnes Seigneurie, a large territory granted in 1717 to the Sulpician order, who were important figures in the early settlement of Montreal. The first European settlers began to settle in this region in the late 1700s. In 1856, it received its post office and was officially recognized as Saint-Joseph-du-Lac to distinguish it from other towns with the same name. The town grew steadily in the 19th and early 20th centuries, maintaining a small but stable population. However, the construction of Highway 640 in the 1970s spurred rapid development, with new housing areas being built to accommodate commuters from Montreal. This led to an increase in the population, which continues to grow today. Saint-Joseph-du-Lac is known for its natural beauty, including nearby lakes, mountains, and forests. The area is a popular destination for outdoor activities such as hiking, boating, and fishing. The town is well connected by road and offers a peaceful, rural lifestyle with easy access to the bustling Montreal area. This is a great place to explore if you're looking for a blend of history, nature, and small-town charm, all while being close to the conveniences of the city. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Saint-Joseph-du-Lac, Quebec.
Bye.